In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or mute audio in InVideo. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to take control of the sound in your project. Whether you want to delete a track entirely or just silence the audio attached to a clip, I'll guide you through each step in a clear, no-stress way. First, log into InVideo using your regular account. Once you're in, head straight to the Projects area. This is where all your existing work lives, so find the project you want to adjust and open it in the editor. Give it a moment to load so everything on the screen is fully responsive before you move on. Inside the editor, look for the timeline. You'll typically find it at the bottom of the screen with separate layers for video, text, and audio. The audio you want to remove might appear as a dedicated track labeled something like music, voiceover, or SFX. If you see multiple audio layers, take a second to identify the one you actually want to get rid of so you don't remove the wrong sound. Click on the audio track you want to delete to make sure it's selected. You should see a highlight or an outline indicating it's active. With the correct track selected, hit delete. Depending on your interface, this could mean pressing the delete key on your keyboard or clicking a small trash bin icon. If a confirmation message appears, simply confirm to proceed. You should notice the audio block disappear from the timeline, and the preview will reflect that change. If your video doesn't have a separate audio track, that's okay. Some clips come with the sound baked into the video itself. In that case, you can try muting the audio on that clip. Select the clip on the timeline, then look for the volume controls in the inspector or toolbar, often represented by a speaker icon or a volume slider. Toggle mute or drag the volume all the way down to 0. The video will remain exactly the same, but the sound on that clip will be silenced. As you work, keep an eye on the preview to confirm your changes have the effect you want. If something doesn't look right, make sure the correct clip or track is selected before you try again. And remember, if you delete the wrong thing, you can always undo and reselect. That's it. Log in, go to Projects, open your project, find the timeline, select the audio you don't want, delete it, or mute the clip if there's no separate audio track. You're all set to control your sound cleanly and confidently.